In this video, I'm going to show you how to download songs with Chrome on your phone. So this is using the Chrome application and downloading it on the browser. So first we're going to click into the Chrome application. And then once you click into the Chrome application, click on the search bar for Google search and type in Pixabay. Once you type in Pixabay, go ahead and click on the search. And then that top result, pixabay.com, go ahead and click on that. And then here on the top navigation, you're going to want to scroll till you see music. You can go ahead and click music. And then scroll down and you have different song options. And you can also search for songs in Pixabay using the top search bar. And when you find a song, you can go ahead and click on the download button on the right side of that song. And then go ahead and click OK to start a new download. And then you can see at the bottom of the screen that the song has downloaded, and it is downloaded on Chrome. So that's how you can use the Chrome application to download songs on your phone. Now this is a royalty-free website. There are other sites and other ways to download more music. And if you find those, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.